everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul, and today we are going to be unboxing a order I placed with Cool Katz Crafts. I will post a link down below. I've absolutely fallen in love with their dies and I really need them all, but it's a slow process because they are a little bit on the expensive side, but you can feel the quality and the quirkiness is just amazing. They just help anyone who makes mini albums and stuff. It really helps them loads. So without further ado, I'm dying to get into them, so let's open them up. So should we go with the first small one first actually? So we've got a thank you note here, and then we've also got the note, a letter here to state when they're next got workshops and stuff like that. And the first one we've got here are the folio strips. Let's see if I can open them up. And you get 3 dies in here, and these really come in handy for all kinds of things. But if you watch Paul Ford, you'll know exactly what these are for. He uses them to make a corset enclosure in the mini albums, but you can use them as swivels and stuff. And I think, as far as I remember, it was Paul himself who actually asked could he have them in strips of 6 because they only used to come in 1 or 2 dies. So this is going to speed up my process no end, and I'll just make a load of them up with my scraps as well. So that's that one. We then have a stamp, and I'll try and keep away from the glare, and these say place photo here, pull open and pull open in a different way, lift the flap, shake me, push here, open here, lift, what's in here, look inside, lift me up, pull here, photographs, open me. And then we've got a who, when, where stamp and a remember when stamp. And this album was made especially for, by and date, so I thought that would really come in handy. And then we've got the angled photo slots. So these will put the cuts into your paper so that you can directly put the photograph in. And we've got 4 dies here. I'm not too sure of the sizes, to be fair, but I believe this is the first set. Well, and then we've got a large swivel die set, and I do believe I actually already have this one, but it doesn't matter because I can cut more than one at a time. So if you'd watched one of my previous videos, you'd have seen this anyway. So you've got a diamond or square, and then you've got the piece to actually put a pattern paper on top. And then you've got like a light bulb, and then you've got like an oval shape there. And in fact, actually, I'm not too sure if I have got that one now. Look at it. It's got something similar, I think. Oh, I didn't waste my money after all. And then we've got album text plate. Now this is one of the brand new plates, so I'm really happy to get it as it's launched. And then I'm not very good at reading backwards, but I'll try my best. So I think that says treasured, special of memories, magical, by, moments, precious days, and treasury, maybe, I don't know, but yeah, these will come into hand at no end, so I'm really happy to get that. That was like, I've been watching them and they kept hinting about words, and I was like, oh, I thought it was going to be like individual words like the previous 2, but no, it's fantastic to get a plate. And then the next one is the curved photo slots set 2. In here you do get more than what you get in the previous one, so you get 6 dies, I think, or is it 8 dies? Let's open it and have a look. We get this, which cuts out into your paper like the previous one, and then we get this, which will put in, so you can cut your photograph out with that, or just put the scrap, oh, not so much scrap, put some card in there to show them what they can do. And it's even got like a stitch design, so we've got one set there, another set here to and another set here. So that's fantastic. Whereas the other ones, I don't think they give you this bit, it's just the actual photo slots themselves. And then we'll open this next one. I was actually needing a new spray box, so this will be perfect. I can use this now as my new one. So just got them same welcome notes and thank you notes there, some sponge which I'm sure I can make use of. And then I've gone and got the silver tape. I really wish they did it in white because I just didn't want black. I want to do some baby albums and the black is just too much. So this is as close to white as I've got. So I picked up them and I've got them in two different sizes, I believe 25mm and 50mm I think. So then we've got cutting photo slot dies. And I'm not going to get these out, but the little corners, and you can make your own. So instead of doing it this method with these, you can actually create whatever size you want. And I do believe you can actually use a hammer. She did a hammer on the video using these, so that's how durable these dies are. So that was really good that I can choose my own like space that I'd want. And then I don't know why I got this, because when I placed it I thought, what, I don't even know what it's for. So it says round box die set, and I'm guessing we're just going to make a little like a flower pot or something, but I don't do things like that, but I'll have a go at it anyway. As you can see here, you've got like two sizes, unless that's for a thing, but no, I presume that is for two sizes, so I'm going to have a look online. Oh, we've even got more here as well, so we've got 4 little pots that we can do. So I'm sure they'll come in handy, because I actually bought the Tonic Studio sweet cart, and that would be really cool as a flower, so like a flower stand, so I could use them and make some flowers to put in them. And then we've got the paste, page, tab, circle and pentagon. I know this one I have got, but again it doesn't matter. I know I definitely have this one. So you've got the ones that fold over, and then you've got 2 different sizes, 2 different innies to go with them for each set. So, and they can make magnet closures and all kinds, like hydro magnets and stuff. So they are really good, and I've used them quite a few times now. And then I've got a sword leaf die set. So yes, that's must be what I was thinking. If I get those little pots and make them, and that's probably where I was thinking of. And I didn't have any tiny little leaves, so we get lots in here, and you can see, just check it out. Over you can see just how tiny these leaves are, so it's going to be a fiddly job. And there's a fair few of them in here, so we've got 6 of them of all together, so we've got all different sizes and thicknesses, so that will really come in handy if we do that sweet cart. And if you'd like, let me know and I will do a video, a tutorial how I'm going to decorate that up and stuff, so that could be something fun to do with you. And if you want a live, and maybe possibly could do a live, but I have to warn you, like my grandpapa's here now, so you may get some crying in the background, but there's nothing we can do about that if we're going to do a live way. And then we've got archway flip flaps, and I was on the fence about these, but then I was like, you know, you're going to buy them all, so all the dies that is that Cool Cats do, so just get them. So there we are. So we've got 3 different, we've got a straight edge one, we've got an open one with the stitch design, and then we've got just another stitch design one. So we've got 2 open ones actually here, and then just 1 window one. So they'd be really cool to do, like windows peeking through, as if like you're looking into the house like at Christmas and stuff like that. And then we've got ribbon slot die set. So we've got all kinds going on here. So I think these ones, from what I remember, cut the actual hole in where you want it going, and then these are reinforcers to go over the top. so we've got plenty to go at there. So you can do an individual one, or you can do 2, or you could even do 3 with that if you've used all of them in one straight like line. And then the next one we got is a faux brad die set. This one feels quite heavy. So these are your faux brads that you'll make, and they've got 2 different sizes there of them. And oh, got 3 sizes actually, got really tiny ones. And then we've got the little decorative things that you'll put on top. And I'm thinking these are reinforcers that go underneath the legs. Now, I'm not too sure how good this works, but everyone raves about it, so I'm like, right, I'm going to give it a go. Because sometimes the metal brads are just a bit too like big, the head, whereas these I keep it quite flat. So I'm actually really excited to have a go at making some of those. And you can just use all your scrap cards, so you're not wasting anything. And then the last thing is the hinge stack die set, and that's where this comes in. So this is the scoring guide. Not too sure what it's all about, but I will read it. And I can do this myself, and they tell you that you can do it yourself, but I thought, well, if it saves the hassle, then I'll just buy these, and then I can just do it quickly rather than faffing around with my scoreboard. And then I know it's accurate. So it literally is just 2 huge strips of metal with all the score lines in, so that you can have it so your mini albums will fold flat. And like I say, this, you can do it with your scoreboard yourself, but this is just going to take the thinking out of it for me. So, and I know that they'll fit perfectly together. So that is my haul, guys. I hope you like it. Can't wait to get using all these, and now all I've got to do is pack them all away, like, because I store them all in a tonic binder. And yeah, it's just dedicated to kill cats now, because I know I'm going to probably need 2 or 3 of those binders to put them in. But yeah, if you would like a live on any of the things I've seen, or if you'd like a tutorial, just pop me a comment in below, and I'm more than happy to do them. So I'd like to say a big thank you for watching if you've got this far, and hope you've enjoyed it. I'd really love it if you give me a thumbs up, a like, or even a comment. I'd really appreciate it. And thanks again for watching, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Bye!